Create App Node.js course. Go to the VS Code, npm init, hit enter. My index.js is entry point. We can see package.json here is created. First of all, I'm going to install Express, npm express. Then go to the my entry point, const express equal to required express. After that, app equal to express, then app.use express.json, app return my output response in JSON format, then get request on my route function that receive two parameter request and response. Inside the object, I write my response send with Node.js app works, app.listen on 4000 port, then arrow function console server is runs, running server by node index, hit enter. Now navigate this URL. Node.js app works. I hope you like this video and dislike video. Goodbye.